If you are attached to an institution, insist on standard reputed company equipment as many will use the same equipment. So nobody should have a cause for complaint. The reputed companies are like Stores, Olympus, Striker, and recently Johnson and Johnson, Smith and Nephew, to name a few. If you are on your own budget, then you are if you are buying on your own all the equipment, think that it will be an investment as you will be getting money as well as expertise. Thus invest more than you think is possible and buy the best equipment you can buy. It will make your surgery stress and strain less and make surgery safe and satisfying. You should know your OEMs, which are the original manufacturers of the equipment, and you can cut your cost drastically. For the after sale service, now what it actually means is that when you are buying the equipment, where the company will give you a standby equipment in case it takes back your equipment for repair, thus your work will never be hampered. Always take demos of the equipment and compare before you decide about what to buy. Most of the companies are happy to give you the demonstration before you actually place the order. Refurbished equipment, if you are buying, you can get good high-end equipment for fraction of its cost. Choosing is important and should buy from a reliable source who you know will give you good after sales service. The camera especially buy after comparing each, and as each one has different characteristics, take the one which suits you the best, as images have some differences and your eye may be prefer some camera over the other. Aim for at least a HD camera. For example, the 1288 series from Striker is good with its dedicated monitor. Below it is the 3-chip camera, the Tricam from Stores, and then 1-chip camera, Telecam SR from Stores and from Surgident. 1-chip camera HD are also available with some companies. The new technology has moved beyond CCD to CMOS based cameras from Johnson and Johnson. 300 watt LED light source is best. It heats the telescope the least and has bright white light. Bulb life is 50,000 hours. Use light cable having 10 mm thickness and more than 2 meters in length. A jelly filled cable, if possible, will give you maximum light. Buy an insufflator which has no more than 20 liters per minute carbon dioxide output, since the gas inlet at the port does not allow more gas to go in. Stores is the best insufflator I have used. Costly, yes, but the best to keep an unobstructed field. Stores sets the benchmark for the hand instruments. Indian instruments that I have been using since 25 years are from Om Surgicals. Best needle holders and clip applicators I have used are from Ethicon. Stores telescopes set the benchmark. With HD camera and a 300 watt light source LED, 5 mm scope will suffice. If you buy any other lesser known telescopes, always take live demonstration to see that it has a wide angle of view and that the image is clear. Olympus, RZ and Striker are other companies with the comparable scopes. And lastly, insure your equipment always, as many people are involved in the maintenance, and you don't want to be left with a drastic loss.